Brapoglog, I promised this is a gardening video. I just had to incorporate some motorcycle stuff into it. My friend normally likes to call me a plant dad. So here's the thing. Back when there was Men Mental Health Month, I decided to take this challenge after attending Money Clinic's men's conference. Called a couple of men for a meeting. I was part of the attendees. So during the event, men were sharing the experiences about mental health, life, marriage, blah blah blah. You know the whole thing. But as an RN, before I recommend this to my patients, I decided to test it out. So people who are mentally disturbed or going through a mental thing, they're normally encouraged to either venture into gardening or keep a pet or go for hikes, just interact with nature, like find something to distract you. So I decided to test it out, see if it's really a thing, if it will have an effect on my mental health. I wasn't going through anything. The only thing I'm going through is the Zakayo episodes. My hope was it will make the Zakayo thing a little bit bearable. So it's been like 8 to 9 weeks since I started the project, and I've noticed that my plants are kind of not doing well. When the cold season started, they were doing really well, but then at some point, I started noticing some stagnation in their growth. But one of those plants was really doing well. It's a succulent. It was spreading its leaves. It was going and going and going. So I thought of giving it a bigger space, see how it will perform. This is a combination of a voiceover and real-time recording. At some point, I'll be letting you in into the real world.
Project deadline. Yo, update on the glove thing. Like, this thing is useless. Don't buy it. Don't buy this brand. I hope Insta, can you see this? Don't buy this. And today I'm seeing too many planes, but now this is the third one. Like, this thing is crap. It cracked. I think it's just been a month. It's already cracked. Boom, bad one. Buy Pro Biker. Like, this is Pro Biker. Look at it. Still in good condition. The fabric looks nice. Okay, it's a bit old. Like, I replaced them because they have started getting torn on these edges. But overall, they're still nice. Like, they still get the job done. But these ones, useless. 8 months, 1 month. Hey, if you're selling one of these, talk to me, talk to me. Okay, on to the next one. Like, today's project is like I'm looking for soil. Yeah, I need to transplant my two things, and I need some fresh soil. Insta, you're still with me? Good. So I'm here to collect some soil. So where do I place this, bro? Like, where do I place this? Where do I place this? Okay, let's put it here. Let's put it here. But my helmet on the ground on this dirt? No. Okay, we have to sacrifice one of these. Let's sacrifice the jacket. My reflective jacket can take it. Another pro tip about motorcycling. Okay, we are sacrificing my jacket so the outside can go down, but my helmet can't go on the ground. So the other thing about these luminous jackets, if you're planning to, if you're a newbie or, okay, I don't know, you're a newbie kind of thing. No, you're not a newbie, you're just into motorcycling. If you're into motorcycling, you've been riding with dull colors or other colors, red, blue, whatever, and you're thinking to switch to luminous green. The thing is, they're nice. They really look cool. They're pretty. Yeah, especially when they're clean. But the downside is, they get dirty pretty quick. You can't wear this jacket more than 3 days without washing them. Yeah, for sure. You can't wear it for 3 days straight without washing them. They get dirty real quick. So if you're planning to get the luminous green jacket as your first riding jacket, bad decision. You need to have it. Like, I have the blue one. longer than this one. This one really gets dirty pretty quick. Okay, back to the project. So these niggas used to be my former employers. Yeah. And they used to take care of us pretty good. They used to bribe us. Bribe, that's a big word, bribe us. No, they used to have some HR, PR kind of stuff. Niggas are running out there. I wish I had that shit. This thing has made me So, what they do, they used to give us gifts. And this is the packaging they used to give us. So, this is the kind of packaging they used to do while they're delivering the gifts or whatever, banana. Like, when it comes to branding and PR, they are good at it, man. They are good at it. So I've been holding on to this thing. I haven't used it at any point. What else? I wasn't in a position to give it to anybody because I like it. This bag looks cool, bro. Looks cool, right? So the only thing that I think deserves this bag are my plants. So I'm giving it to my plants, bro. So we are here to collect soil. Let's see if we have another paper. Oh man, what is it in the jacket? Okay, Insta360 today you're going to have a very long day. You'll be moving from point to point. Yes, you can go. I'm here to collect soil, bana. Like, this used to be my chill spot. Now it's being converted into a quarry. I've been in here. I didn't manage to put out the long video, but no school down there. I think it's classified. But down there, man, there are sites. I can't wait for them to finish doing that thing. Then I'll come right in here. If you are an off-roader or if you get one of these, an Apache, I like to bring on some people on board. If you get a Tekken, a Kibo, a Hawk, all those off-road bikes. Yeah, come we play in here. A Jincheng off-roader, a Raleigh, come we play in here. It's a mining site. In a few they'll be done, and this place will be left for the public. They got parts created in here. If you're watching my TikToks and my shorts by now, you have seen it. There are parts, nice one in here. Right now it's dangerous because works are going on. But once they're ready, oh man. It's on my bucket list. I need to brush right here. But for now, this is not the best quality of soil, but it's time for me to transplant my plants. It's been like, this is week. We are in August. 4, 6, 8. No, 4, 6, 6. Yeah, we are on week 8. Week 8. So the plants are 8 weeks old. I hope I'll be in a position to show you how they look on week 8 before we transplant them. So the plan is, I put them in this bag, then I put it on that other bag, then we get to transport them, and then let's see the spot where the soil looks a little bit fertile. On that other end, soil looks good. Okay? Right here, it doesn't look fertile, lots of rocks and stuff. As a soft life ambassador, you need to have one of these. I can't get my hands dirty, man. Hey, Insta360, let's take a trip. Our luminous jacket will be taking one for the team. Oh man, like, this is what I'm telling you. See this? There are parts inside there. Crazy twisties and stuff. If you're a crazy off-roader, talk to me nicely, bana. Yeah. I bet on Sunday nobody will be here, but I'm waiting for them to be done with their construction work. Then I'll be here like wrapping and stuff. But for now, let's stick to the objective. So the objective is we are collecting soil. Insta, the other way. I'm talking to my camera. But the voice command thing is not great. Another one. A helicopter. Just 360, stop recording. This started as a bad decision, man. I was just trying and I see it's turning into another addiction just like motorcycling. It's supposed to be a short-term thing. I'm out here hunting for soil, bro. Can you believe this? Stay tuned. I'll be updating you on the project. But I think I found some good soil. Those who are already into gardening and stuff, yeah, share tips, share tips. Like, what else can I do to improve my soil quality and the health of my plants? Yeah, this was supposed to be a June or was it July? It was supposed to be a July thing. Just things over to August, and now we are. Was it even June? It was a July thing, I guess. You are counting weeks, like, yeah, 4 plus 2, those are 6, then plus 2 more. Yeah. It was supposed to be a June thing. In August, and it's getting worse, man. Getting worse. Am I getting the right type of soil? Looks good, better than the other side. The other side is a bit rocky and shit. But here the soil looks good. No rock. I don't like the rocky one. Just rock and soil. I'm in Kajiado, man.
Let's get into that transplanting phase. I'd potted my plants in some soda bottles. I'd improvised then to board some shimos huko chini. So let's fix it into this carrier bag. It's looking nice so far. I'd already done the succulent. Time to put this crawler plant in. So here's the thing. This is the biggest procrastination project I've done in 2025. It was supposed to be done in 2024. In fact, I talked to Njahu's team. I'm like, I made a video. I'll send you the video. I lost part of the video from the occasion when my hard disk crashed, but I bet that guy will be holding another meeting this year and I'll be attending. I'll make sure I catch every action from the event. It was a good thing, Bana. And this for men, Bana, don't die in 2025. We are not killing ourselves over money or some small stress. Talk to somebody. Talk to somebody. You can reach out to me. I'll be willing to help or listen. Just don't die. Don't hang yourself. Don't poison yourself. Don't kill yourself. Don't commit suicide. At the moment, there's a lot of toll-free services when it comes to mental health. Please share them on the comments below. It might help somebody. Stay above ground. Stay above ground. Please don't kill yourself. It's 2025. I hope this will save somebody in 2025. We need you above ground. During that meeting, I had one of the saddest stories, man. There was a guy there who was mourning the brother. The brother committed suicide. Man, that guy was so emotional, man. Just do it for your family. Stay above ground for your family. Remember to leave a like and share this video with friends and family. I bet this is the best gardening video of 2025. Grab a clock.
This how this bag is. It has a cash.
Okay, back at it from shields. I didn't water this one too much. The other one is disintegrated. So it can so this process of disinfecting it. Difficult. Yeah, so not watering it was a good idea. Let's go inside. Our bottle is obstructing. Have to get creative. Bamboo tree. Out. The bottle has to come out. No, I did it out. I hope it will deliver water. Okay, sasa kijana amejipea kazi ya kuosha. Again. Back at it. Good. So far so good. We have generated trash. No trash good. Oh man, my trauma shield. Okay, but this one's just for home use. And then from the side, huko, alafu huku kwingine.